to give this wall some extra insulation, I added these boards. It's made of wood fibers. It's 12mm thick, and I have 2 layers. Why 2 layers? Because that way you can cover the joints. Like with the second layer you can cover the first layer joints. And it's really light material. And you can break it really easy. So it gives some extra like soundproof and some some insulation as well. So the walls in these old buildings are not straight, actually not straight at all usually. So that's why I straightened the wall with these wooden studs. They're actually old floorboards, which I cut them in half. I'm using these boards to cover the walls, like outside walls, and it's called Fermacell. It's made out of gypsum and waste paper, or maybe you call it old paper, recycled paper. It has to be level, so it's better to install the other boards. And I also marked, I don't know if you can see, but where is the center of the studs, so if I add screws I don't miss the studs. And I also left some room between the board and the floor. So I just used these plastic heels, or I don't know how you call them in English. The distance between the screws should be maximum 25 centimeters or 250 millimeters, and it's actually, you don't have to measure it with the tape measure every time. You can just see that this drill is almost 25 centimeters, a bit shorter, so you can just measure the distance using the drill. So you can see this special glue here, and tomorrow I will scrape it off. If I did it today, then it would be a real mess, and it's almost, well, it's possible to sand it off, but it's really difficult.